Come with me on a day to Malibu! So we're actually going for Casey's birthday. Now we're gonna do some makeup and then we're gonna go and get some food. That was actually fake because we forgot so many things. So that door closing, that was fake. It was not real. I forgot everything.
One time I made matcha with coconut water instead of a latte. My dad didn't like it, but I did.
Superman is tall. You're so tall. What do you think you're gonna get?
Something decaf because I just had a whole year from latte. Maybe a cafe latte. I'm gonna get a matcha.
Here he is. And I'm gonna get, should I get a passion fruit green tea spritz? That sounds so good. I'm gonna get that. It's like the original name or something.
What'd you get?
I need to try it. Oh my god, it's perfect. Oh my god, it was so good. Now we're gonna go to Malibu Village and shop around for a bit, and it's gonna be so fun. Okay, we're waiting for Macy and Truman to come, so let's have a debate about something. Anything. Let's do instead of debates, like do a bunch of like funny would you rathers.
Okay. Would you rather be stuck in a romantic comedy with your worst enemy or a horror movie with your best friend?
Oh, enemies to lovers.
Rom-com with enemies, because like
Enemies
come
to
on,
lovers.
enemies to lovers.
I hate hot guys.
Naya, what would you do?
Gotta go for the rom-com. Would you rather always feel hungry or always feel tired? That's like...
I always feel tired even now,
Yeah.
so...
And I hate being hungry.
Being hungry, I'm not in good mood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's just like, there was this one day where we didn't get to eat at all. Or actually, I got to eat, but she didn't, because we usually get these burritos at this at the cafe at her school, and for some reason, they don't have as much as like without like burritos without meat, because she's pescatarian, and they don't have like fish burritos. So I got to eat and she didn't, and it was already like almost like 2, and I was like, I'm gonna get the elevator, and usually she goes like, okay, but that day she went, okay. I was like, oh. Are you guys ready to go shopping? Let's go. We're gonna go to the bathroom and change, and then we're gonna head over to Point Dume. I'm so excited to go.
So I'll make it perfect.
I have to wash it.
We're in a bathroom if you couldn't tell.
Done! Race on the beach. That's crazy.
Run.
Since Macy and Truman are leaving, we're gonna go to this place all the way over there. It's like the secret beach that we've been wanting to try out. We saw it a lot on TikTok, so. Okay, we're gonna climb these rocks. That was so fun. We took a bunch of pics and we're ready to go. We're very hungry, so we're gonna go head to Malibu Seafood. Malibu Seafood is one of my favorite places to go in Malibu. Oh, so good. We're gonna start heading home, but you can't go on a road trip and then not have ice cream. So we're gonna have some ice cream, which is gonna be so good.